Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on notification bell. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious Nigerian Chin Chin. So if you want to know how I came up with this yummy Chin Chin recipe, continue watching. So the first thing I'll be doing is to sift the flour. I have 4 cups of flour here. All right, so make sure you sift your flour. Then this is 3 tablespoons powdered milk flavor, 3 tablespoons granulated sugar, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon. So mix everything together. I'll be mixing everything together. So here I have 2.5 tablespoons margarine. I've added it and I'll be mixing like everything together. Yes, I'll be mixing it together. So make sure you rub in the margarine very well. Here I've added 1 egg, another egg, making it 2, and I'll mix. Another egg, 3, and I'm mixing. Here is another egg, making it 4 eggs. All right, so I'm going to be mixing until I get a non-sticky dough. So I used 4 medium-sized egg for this. So this is our chin chin dough. Keep kneading, like kneading. I've transferred on a flat surface, kneading. Yeah, this is a dough. Guys, this chin chin recipe was super. So I'll be dividing the dough into like 4 places. So I'll be spreading it one by one. So it's time to spread the dough. So it depends on the thickness you want. I wanted a chin chin that is not too tiny. So this is a wheel cutter. So I'll be cutting my chin chin dough to my preferred shape and sizes. So it depends on choice. You can decide to cut square, diamond. You can choose any size and shape you want. So this is how I wanted mine. So guys, this is it. So this is our chin chin dough. It's time to fry. Yes, in a hot oil. Make sure you fry in a hot oil. and you stir at intervals, like close intervals. And don't overcrowd the oil with the chin chin dough. Guys, you're going to love this chin chin recipe. That's the cinnamon I added there. Try this recipe out. It was like soft and crunchy. No water added, no baking powder added. It was super duper delicious. We so much enjoyed it. So try out my recipe and leave me a comment in the comment section. So guys, fry until golden brown. So our chin chin is almost ready, and then we'll be transferring it into a paper towel to drain excess oil and transfer into a flat surface to cool completely, and store in an airtight container. Enjoy, guys, enjoy. So this is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. Try it out. Try it out. Guys, please make sure you try out this chin chin, like I would always tell you, as I share these recipes on this channel. Try them out and you'll be glad you did. Isn't this yummy? Guys, are you seeing this chin chin? Are you just seeing it? Are you seeing this popping kind of chin chin? Oh wow, this is good. Soft and crunchy. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye bye. Love ya.